Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to download WIX website as a PDF. Now, before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below for more videos just like this on our channel. Now, as you know right here, it's not actually possible to download a WIX site or any of its pages as the editor needs to be in the constant connections with our servers. So as you can see here, it says it's not possible, but I figure out a way how it makes possible, how this is possible basically. So as you can see, WIX does not support the exporting of files created using WIX to an external destination or host. However, you can still go and download WIX website as a PDF. Basically, just go to website to PDF converter, and here you can click on the first page, and then here, as you can see, you will have a convert web to PDF. Now here, all you have to do is paste your WIX URL. You can also go to settings and see if you want to disable JavaScript, page orientation, margins in millimeters, page size, if you want to be B5, B2, A7, A4, change fixed elements, absolute or relative, or hide. You can basically go here and adjust this. Once you adjust, you save, and you just click here, and that will basically convert your website to a PDF. Later on, you can use this PDF to, present anyone your website in a really simple form. So that's basically how you can download WIX website as a PDF. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next WIX tutorial video.